Okay, so today we're going to be talking about sections 6.1, 2, and 3. So it's going to be all 1, 2, and 3 together. It's going to be the rules of the exponents. So the first rule we have that we're going to talk about is going to be the product of powers. So when we're multiplying like bases with exponents, you're going to add the exponents. The bases will still be multiplied like normal. So like in the first example, I got 2a to the third, and I got 7a to the fifth. So the 2 and the 7, you're going to do like normal. 2 times 7 gives me the 14. That's where that 14 comes from. Now the 8 comes from the two exponents. I got 3 and 5. We are going to add the exponents, and that's what this rule right here means. M and N is M plus N. Here we're going to do 3 plus 5, and that's where we get the 8 from. In the next example, we have two different bases. We have an X and we have a Y. The same bases must go together. So the X will get the -7 and the 4. And as you see right here, I have -7 plus 4, which will give me -3. And then on the Y's, I got 5. Now the second Y doesn't have a number, so we have to put the 1 in there. If it's raised to the 0 power, it'll be 1. So there's nothing there. So if there is a Y, that means the exponent is 1. So I'll do 5 plus 1, and that'll give me my 6. Okay, now I'm going to skip. What do you notice? The product of powers. When multiplying terms with like bases with exponents, you will add the exponents together. So here we go. I got my like bases are the H's. So that means that those will go together. Remember the numbers you're going to do like normal. So 3 times 9 is 27. That stays the same since you were in elementary. So you multiply those. Now the letters, on the other hand, that's going to be H, 2 plus 3, and then my final answer will be 27H to the fifth. In my next example, I have two bases. I have the A's, and remember there's not a number here, so I'm going to go ahead and put my 1 right there. And I got B. So I'm going to go ahead and write them out. A6 plus 1, B -4 plus 2. 6 plus 1 is 7, so I get A to the 7th. And then B, now -4 plus 2, the 4 is bigger, so it's going to be -2. Now, from here, we're going to go ahead and go to the Desmos 6.123, and you're going to do numbers 1 through 3. So 1 through 3 deals with the product power.